Hi, welcome to Project Geospatial. I'm Adam Simmons here at the GEOINT 2025 conference here in St. Louis, Missouri. And today I have the pleasure of talking to Yuval Lorig. Is that correct?
Yes,
Thank you. With
correct.
Astera.
Yes.
Astera, we've had Astera on many times before, and I am proud to have you guys back to talk about what your latest and greatest is. But I want to learn a little bit more about you first. Can you talk about who you are and how you got involved with the industry?
Definitely. So thank you for having me. My name is Yuval. I'm from Israel. I've been with Astera over the past 9 years. I'm the VP R&D for Astera. I'm in charge for everything from ideation all the way to fulfilling and developing the technology. And this is the second geospatial startup that I work for. I studied physical geography, did my bachelor's and master's on it. And
In geography?
Yeah.
Okay.
And evolved into the industry locally in Israel and grew together with Astera.
What was your first startup?
It was called IntelliScope. It was for forestry, but commercial forestry, and unfortunately it got shut down.
Awesome.
So it was just an experience for me.
What got you into studying geospatial or the geography when you were first starting out in school?
Yeah, well, I was always kind of a map geek.
Okay.
Having old maps and really like nature and geology and being outdoors, and but I was also a technology geek, so it was very natural for me to combine those both together.
Yeah.
And when I finished school, I went looking for a job in the industry, did some GIS projects and stuff like that, a bit of remote sensing, and found my way into the more technology industry.
Perfect.
Developing it.
So circling back to Astera,
Yeah.
Years ago when we first interviewed you, I was starting out with working heavily focused on water,
Yeah.
and working on water resources and water leaks.
Yeah.
And since then, the company has expanded quite a bit into other realms, looking for other things, right?
Yes, that's correct. We're mainly focused on infrastructures today.
Right.
We kind of expanded and then found the more target markets for us. The main focus for us today, besides the water industry, is the critical infrastructure industry, focusing on dams, levees, and canals. That's our main focus that we're aiming our product in the upcoming years.
Okay.
We're also shifting into developing APIs so clients can connect with us directly without the whole delivery that we're doing in the past. So we're kind of expanding our offering for those two.
Awesome. And you've also expanded regionally too. Your customer base is now pretty global, is that correct?
Pretty much. We work, I think, more than 70 countries.
Wow.
Having, I think, almost 1,000 projects, clients. So we've expanded pretty much.
So what's the latest and greatest with Astera in the last year since we talked to you last?
I think that's mainly robusting our technology. So we've expanded, and now it's mainly making sure that the technology gets progressed and gets more accurate. So that's what we're putting the efforts on, and we've developed our EODiscover 2.0, which is our platform. It's a SaaS platform where the clients connect they can download and get the insights directly for a variety of products over there. So that's where we put our solutions on.
Awesome. So to remind everybody to go a little bit backwards a little bit, Astera has some huge advantages to helping your clients, and not just your clients, but we'll call it cities and urban areas understand, even with old infrastructure underground, where they could be losing resources with water and other things, and where they might need to perform maintenance, repair, or make robust aging infrastructure. Is that correct?
That's totally correct. So we're utilizing L-band SAR for that.
Yeah.
It has a subsurface penetration, and we're also working on polarimetric SAR, and combining that all together, we can get great insights over those infrastructures and over those assets. So that's where we're mainly focusing our help for the client.
So you're mostly focusing on SAR. Are you taking advantage or keeping an eye on any new emerging sensors that kind of help that are coming out with new companies to help evolve your technology?
Definitely, always looking on that,
Yeah.
but so far we're primarily focused on that.
Understood.
But definitely looking on how can hyperspectral could contribute us in the
Yeah.
future. And we're also developing our own AI models in-house, so
Yeah.
we've improved our detection using, we've developed a dedicated group for data sciences, and we have our own database of leaks and of other findings that we have, and we were able to develop our own models based on that.
That's
so
amazing.
Introduced AI as well, yeah.
Awesome. Well, is there anything else you'd like to tell our audience about Astera that maybe they haven't learned already?
No, I think that's it.
You sure? Okay. Well,
Do you want to point me out
well,
for
point
anything?
you out.
Yeah.
Well, I actually,
Okay with that.
how about you have grown significantly, right?
Yeah.
So you have, you're continuously progressing and growing as a company.
Yes.
And yeah, and that, I think that is what we're talking about.
Yes, it's we're almost 100 people at our
Right.
company, and we're stretched globally. The headquarters are in Israel, but we have a San Diego branch, and we have a few more people around the world as well, and several partners that represent us globally. And yeah, it's
And you're already, because you have a San Diego office, you're already helping plenty of companies and or areas within the United States
yeah,
too.
definitely,
Awesome.
definitely, quite extensively.
Well, thank you for your time, sir, and
Thank
giving
you.
us an update on what's going on with Astera.
Thank you.
I'm Adam Simmons, Project Geospatial. We will talk to everybody next time. Thanks.
Thank you very much.